Good morning, everyone. We are on the trail. So, we stayed last night not too far away from some water, like we always do, so we had to get the tent spot last night. But we are now moseying along, trying to get to the ice cream store. Ice cream and like donuts and stuff like that. So probably getting a donut this morning. Hopefully that'll be good. But apparently the slugs are out. We had some slug action last night on our tent and Jeff's backpack and my trekking pole. Kind of got slimed up. So hopefully, I don't know, hopefully that doesn't happen all the time. It's kind of irritating. But we are about to hit a boardwalk somewhere down here. It's like a mile long or something. It's really long boardwalk. It's really just called a sidewalk. I mean, that's really what it is. It's a sidewalk, but it's over just this lots of swampland and stuff. So that's gonna be a nice, easy mile this morning. But we have the stairway to heaven this morning. So if that doesn't sound hard, I don't know what is. But hopefully it's some stairs. Because stairs are pretty easy. Unless they're really big and steep. Then they kind of suck. But we'll see what it ends up being like. It's a 1,000-foot climb. So I mean, it's not terrible. It'll probably take us 45 minutes or so. But, you know, it's just something to look forward to after you eat a donut. But, yeah, we're gonna keep on getting it, and hopefully that store's open. I think they open at 9, so we're gonna try to be there when they open, and then get out of there as fast as possible to start going up the hill and make some miles.
So we're getting ready to start on the Pochuck boardwalk, which is extremely nice. We're at the southern end of it, headed north. Beautiful. Good morning. Turtles. Bunch of turtles. Shallow water, hidden hazards. 20 people max. I think we're good. Going into the Heaven Hill Farm. We're gonna check out their donuts. Oh, wow. A bale of hay costs $9.99. Must be better hay than we have down south. Maybe over there. Mm-hmm.
Well, we made it into New York.
We did.
They made it into New York.
We have not.
See, look, it's right there. And they're in a state in front of me right now. I got some catching up to do. This is Jeff's buddy Kip. He came up to hike with us for a few days. There you go. Now you can actually see him. Grab it.
That's right.
But heck yeah. But the nets have kind of saved me and Kip there because the bugs are everywhere. Jeff's just, he stinks so bad they don't even want to get on him.
I'm so hungry I just eat them.
Yeah, stop. That's nasty. Anyway, we made it into New York, and we've got, I don't know how long in New York, maybe a week. Yeah, it's till the end of New York. So, yeah.
Yep.
Should have.
Yeah, so we dove off down to Greenwood Lake Village. We're gonna find us a Mexican restaurant down here. We got some good miles in with Kip today, so we're gonna treat ourselves to a Mexican dinner in the great town of Greenwood Lake Resort Village or whatever it is. But kind of cool. We'll let you know what we get.
We ended our day today in Greenwood. We just left the Mexican restaurant to eat some Mexican, obviously. We didn't go there to eat Japanese. And now we're walking to where we're gonna stay the night at. So I guess this is the town. It's actually pretty cool. There's all sorts of stuff in here. But most importantly, a good Mexican restaurant. So it's kind of cold now that we stopped hiking. Somebody just screamed. That's fantastic. But we ended up with how many miles? 19? 19-ish, give or take, 18, 19 miles. So good day. Kip was getting at us back there. He was booking it. So it's hard. Yeah, I'm telling you. Kip got us. Kip got us. Anyway, we had a good day, good miles, and ready for shower and bed. So, yeah, end of day 83.